This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Minimalist Vitamin B5 Moisturizer and Niacinamide 10 step by step. Begin by cleansing and patting your face dry. Press a pea-sized amount of Niacinamide 10 onto fingertips and spread it across your T-zone and cheeks, avoiding the eye area. Wait about 30 seconds for absorption. Follow with a thin layer of Vitamin B5 Moisturizer, gently massaging into skin until evenly distributed. Start by applying lightweight water-based products first, then heavier creams last for best layering. After patting in Niacinamide 10, give it about 20 to 60 seconds to absorb so the moisturizer sits nicely on the skin. If using sunscreen in the morning, apply it after the Vitamin B5 moisturizer. Consistency matters, so stick with this order daily to help improve texture and hydration over time. If you notice stinging or redness, pause niacinamide and reintroduce it slowly every other day. Avoid applying strong acids or retinoids immediately with Niacinamide 10 to reduce the risk of irritation. Instead, alternate them at different times. Always finish your morning routine with SPF after the Vitamin B5 moisturizer because niacinamide helps with texture and tone but does not protect from UV damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.